Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're going to make a mango strawberry smoothie. Healthy Smoothies was a request by Sarah Grace and Hannah Thomas. My neighbor had lots of extra mangoes that she shared with me. So I'm using 2 cups of fresh mangoes and 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Because I'm using the fresh fruit, I need ice. You also need 1 1/4 cups of apple juice, or you can substitute orange juice for the apple juice, and 1 cup of low-fat plain yogurt. And you also need a blender and a spatula. If you're using frozen fruit, you do not need the ice. So the first thing we need to do is take the bottom of our blender, and in our glass blender jar, put our yogurt. And then we need to add our strawberries and the mango. And then I'm using apple juice, but you could also use orange juice. Substitutions are okay. So we want to take our glass pitcher of our blender and put it on the base of our blender, and then we want to mix it for about 30 seconds. Now that our mixture's blended, we want to add just a little bit of ice, because I did not use frozen fruits. I used fresh fruit. I need to add ice so that it gets it cold. Puree your smoothie until it is blended and all of your ice is incorporated. So thanks for joining me. Here's our strawberry yogurt mango smoothie. Delicious. Until next time.